I've come down to Portland Harbour today with a kayak. Gonna give it a go just inside the harbour walls. It's a little bit windy, so the harbour should be quite protected. Never been here before, so today's a bit of a mission to get a feel for it, figure out where to park, where to launch, how long it takes to get out there, best spots to fish. Doesn't matter what I catch today really. This is just a base for future missions, just so I can streamline everything in future. Gonna paddle out to the training warship. I think it's called the Sir Tristram. I've been there before for red band fish, so I kind of know the area between the fort and that boat. Good chance of red band fish, pouting, pollock, bass, mackerel, wrasse. So that's a good place to get started. Let's go.
I've got something on the metal. Yeah, something on the metal. Trolling behind me. Oh, mackerel. There we go. First fish on the boat. Something in the drop shot. Doesn't feel big. Probably a bloody goby or a little tiny cork wing. Pouting. Wing on the drop shot. Number 3. Got a little lice on his head. I got a towel on my head because the back of my neck is cooking.
Police chase. Someone's in trouble. Harbour master. Naughty jet ski.
Oh, takes straight away then on the drop. So, feels a little bit better. Might be a red band. Oh, I think it's a mackerel. Decent mackerel on drop shot. Big little scrap that. Species number 4 for the day. Got a little lice on his head like the cork wing did. Oh yeah, nice fish. It's got to be a wrasse.